Hey, I'm Ashley-Nicole Russell. I'm the owner attorney of the law offices of Ashley-Nicole Russell with locations in Atlantic Beach, Greenville, and Raleigh. I went to undergrad at Appalachian State University and I was a certified district court mediator. I worked within the mediation center in Boone is where I started my alternative dispute resolution career. And so basically settling disputes outside of court. So my parents didn't have the best tools in handling their divorce during my childhood. And I really wanted to make a difference in how we were able to move forward in handling those disputes now that we have better tools and different options in the legal system. And so I wanted to make a difference, and I wanted to make a difference in children's lives so that they didn't have to have the childhood that I had. You know, the court system is just, and even the judges will tell you, it's just not built to handle family matters. We can make those decisions better here in conference, working together with another attorney, representing the other side, and then me and my client, and us being able to come together, understanding that we want to keep the children out of an adversarial system, understanding that we want to keep the children protected and keep them as the center focus, and to be able to help our clients also stay centered and moving forward. But collaborative specifically, that was incorporated in the General Statutes in 2003, but I developed that practice of law in this geographic area. So it did not exist in Eastern North Carolina until I brought it here. I've expanded that. I originally practiced in the Triangle. I've practiced collaborative straight out of law school, which is an interesting dynamic. I don't know of any other practicing attorney who's done that. And then I was able to actually also make a statewide organization, bringing all the collaborative attorneys together across the state so that someone who's divorcing, if they're looking for those services, they have one place they can go. It shows a map of the different collaborative attorneys so that if that's the process that they want to choose, that they have accessibility to it. It's so gratifying. It's such a gratifying thing to know that I've been able to expand this practice area. So when I moved to Greenville, I not only opened a new law firm, I also opened a new law firm under a branch of service that didn't exist here. And so to be able to bring that here, and then spread that, I've trained other attorneys to be able to practice that same practice area here in Eastern North Carolina so that we can provide for these families and give them an alternative. We take our clients from a place of fear and anger and anxiety and confusion and distress to a place that they're moving forward and they're positive and their children are stable and they're centered and they have a positive outlook. And to transition them from here to here and it actually happen and them actually listen and to be able to have such an impact on how that happens based on the process that they decide to utilize is really amazing. The clients are just actually happy people, which is kind of interesting coming out of a divorce, but that's the goal, is that they move on and they're contributing members of society and they're happy and that's what we want, and so it's really nice.